B9 is a cash advance app that gives users access to small amounts of money based on income activity instead of credit checks. That means approval is tied more to your paycheck behavior than your credit history. By the end, you'll know how B9 actually approves cash advances, what legit really means in this context, and whether it's useful compared to other paycheck advance apps. B9 is built around short-term cash access. It is not a traditional loan provider. The app focuses on giving users small advances when they are between paychecks, based on how their income flows into their bank account. Now explain how it works. To use B9, you connect your bank account inside the app. The system reviews your income deposits and spending patterns to determine if you qualify for an advance. This replaces a credit score check with a transaction-based evaluation system. Now talk about access and limits. The amount you can access is not fixed for every user. It depends on your account activity and eligibility inside the app. Some users may see higher advance options, while others may see limited or no access. Now talk about speed. B9 promotes quick access to funds once approved, but actual transfer timing depends on your bank and the transfer method selected. Instant access is not the same for every user. Now talk about repayment. Repayment is usually linked to your next paycheck. The app is designed to automatically collect repayment when income arrives, instead of requiring manual payments. Now talk about what legit means here. B9 is a legitimate financial app in the sense that it operates as a real cash advance service with income-based approval. It is not a guaranteed loan provider, and approval is not automatic for every user. Now talk about limitations. B9 is built for small, short-term cash gaps. It is not designed for large borrowing needs or long-term financial planning. So the decision depends on your situation. If you need occasional small cash advances tied to your income, B9 can be useful. If you need predictable borrowing amounts or larger financial support, it may not meet that need consistently. Here's the simple breakdown. B9 is a cash advance app that uses income activity to determine eligibility. It is legitimate as a service, but approval, limits, and speed depend entirely on your financial profile. Do this next. Check how stable your income deposits are and how often you actually run short between paychecks. Then compare B9 with other cash advance apps you already qualify for. If you want small, short-term cash advances based on your income, B9 can work. If you need guaranteed or predictable loan amounts, it is not built for that.